Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to edit messages on Telegram without showing edited. But the first thing that I should warn you about is that there is a lot of people who are promoting modded versions of Telegram or edited versions of Telegram and promising people of other options that they can find in those edited applications. But I should warn you that if you use any of those edited applications, you are putting your account at the risk of being banned. So there is, you should first of all, of course, open Telegram. And what I want to tell you is that there is not like an official option by Telegram to edit your message without having the label of edited like this. So I will edit this message. So as you can see, it's labeled edited, but there is some few methods that you can use to do that. So the first one is just to delete the message for everyone. So delete for everyone, and like that the message will disappear from the other person and you can send it again. So for example, send it and send again the message. Or another method is to always use like draft on your messages before sending them, or just editing your messages before delivery. So like that, those like are the only options that you have to edit your message without having the edited label. And maybe the easiest one is that one of delete for everyone and just send your message again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the